We're going to finish up 5.1. I believe this is the slide we ended up on. So we have two formulas for compound interest. The first formula is when you're compounding it a certain number of times per year, a finite number of times. I know exactly how many times I'm going to compound the interest: quarterly, monthly, daily, weekly, whatever. Okay. So when that happens, we use A equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to the NT power. If I am continuously compounding it, we use the formula A equals P times E to the RT. There you go. There's the formulas. So the problem here, you invest $12,000. This account pays 3%. Find the balance after 5 years. Okay, so there's the problem. We're going to do this problem 3 times. The first time we do it, we're going to compound the money quarterly. So for part A, for quarterly, what's the equations? A equals, you tell me.
P 1 plus R over N raised to NT.
Okay. Do we know what A is?
No.
That's what we're looking for.
Yeah.
A is after, right?
Yeah.
After 5 years, how much money do we have? So we don't know that. That's what we're trying to compute. P,
12,000.
12,000. That's the money you start with. Times 1 plus interest rate,
R.
0.03. 0.03 divided by quarterly. How many quarters are there in a year?
4.
So how many times in a year will it be compounded? 4 times.
Wait, quarterly?
Quarterly. There are 4 quarters in a year.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Raised to the 4 times 5 power, right? And you calculate that. Okay. And I'm just going to write the equations down on this slide, and the next couple slides has all the answers for us. Okay. Part B, monthly. Same equation. Do we know A?
No.
We still don't know A. What's P?
12,000.
Still 12,000 times 1 plus, has R changed?
No.
Still 3%, 0.03 divided by
12.
monthly, 12 months in a year. So we're compounding it 12 times. N is 12 raised to the
12 times 5.
12 times 5 power. Now, is that answer going to be bigger than this first number? Okay, slightly it will be. Okay, and part C, we're now doing it continuously. What is the formula for continuously? A equals P times E to the RT power. So we still don't know A. P is still 12,000. What is E?
2.
It's E, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, 2.71828.
Yeah.
What is R?
0.03.
0.03, and time is
5.
5. Okay. Continuous compounding, meaning it is being compounded faster than every microsecond, faster than every nanosecond, continuously. Which of these 3 are going to give you the most money? Continuously. You gonna make a lot more?
No.
You're not going to. Okay. So there's the equations. So I'll go ahead and move along. Letter A. After 5 years, you will have $13,934.21. How much profit did you make on your $12,000? Perfect. Okay. So the amount of interest we made was $1,934, right? $1,934. This is compounded quarterly. Next slide, compounded monthly. It goes from 1934 to 1939. You made $5 extra because it was compounded 12 times instead of 4 times. It still took you 5 years to make that $5. So you made an extra $1 a year. Congratulations. Okay. Continuous. It's going to be more than this. Probably like $3. Slide down. There it is.
Hold it.
Okay. You made just a little bit more. Yeah. And so what is the most important thing when investing money? Is it the number of times it's compounded?
No, it's the interest.
It's the interest. The interest is much more powerful. Yes.
We're really learning about this in our secondary class.
And I'm going to go ahead and stop the recording there because that is the end of 5.1.